So we got the senior leadership of Quaker Houghton with us today, who are going to talk about some of the new products, some new initiatives that they have on display at IMTEX 2025. So firstly, if you can tell us about some of the unique products that's on display this year.
Yes, I think we are displaying all our regular products, but apart from that, we have some interesting fluid intelligence products, because I think the way the world is moving, people are looking at more and more digital solutions, and how traditional metalworking fluid can be again coupled with fluid intelligence. So we have some equipment which are on display. You can see there. We have a green light, and which can really measure the concentration online, give a feedback signal, which can again be mapped to the dosing systems, and fluid optimization can be achieved. So that is one interesting fact. And then we are also focusing a lot on e-mobility solutions, which are slightly different, because we understand in e-mobility the level of accuracy and the level of sophistication of the components is slightly higher than the traditional auto components. So we have some solutions which are displayed for that as well. Apart from that, we are also talking about die-cast, which is traditionally we had, but apart from that, we also have now married it with impregnation solutions, which can help reduce the porosity. So once we make a component, if there is a porosity, it has to be taken care of. So we have also solutions for that. So I think these are some certain things which are new to us, and we are really pushing it in the market. Apart from that, our regular products like water-soluble cutting oil, neat cutting oils, forging oils, and other traditional products are already on display. Thanks.
So I noticed that your company is actively involved, coming out with a lot of sustainable solutions. If you can give us some details on the sustainable initiatives that your company is actively involved with.
Yeah, that's actually a very good question you have asked. Basically, Quaker Houghton believes strongly in the sustainability. Recently, we were also selected as America's one of the climate leaders for 2024. We have actually moved up on our sustainability index ratings, which are the third-party ratings which we get. So beyond that, what we are doing is that it's just not a marketing tactic or a marketing buzzword for us. We focus upon reduction of water consumptions, power electricity savings, energy savings. So those are like measurable economic aspects which could be targeted using our products. Case in point is the OEMs in India. There are 3 large OEMs, Japanese as well as Korean OEMs. We were able to introduce our sustainable cleaning solutions, where in one of the cases, we have actually saved 52 tons of carbon dioxide for them annually, and that's a big saving from CO2 footprint point of view. So these are the things which we are introducing in India. We have already rolled out few with the OEMs across in India, and there are many other solutions where we can join hands together with our customers and bring a more positive planet for our children, our future generation. Yeah, and thank you, Saurabh. And currently all our products are CMR free. 99.8% products are CMR free. By 2028, we target to do all 100% CMR. Now, sustainability can be a very buzzword like green products and all, but the main point is that the product should be carcinogenic, mutagenic, and reprotoxic free. So this is the CMR, which is basically you can measure. So this is something which is measurable. All our products which we are targeting to have 100% free from all these CMR labeling or regulations. So that's our, I would say, short roadmap towards sustainability.
So talking about some of the new markets, some new opportunities that you would be planning in the coming 1 year, if you'd like to tell us more about that.
Yes. See, apart from the traditional markets we are also looking at how to expand our share of business in those traditional markets, work with the customers, see what are their changing requirements, and then adapt to it. So we are seeing today is coming from the customers is as Rohit has been talking about more EHS friendly products, more green products, and also products which can help them cut the energy. So we are working on those areas. Apart from that, we have also invested some new capacities in certain products like die casting, and this is one area where we are looking forward to further expansion. There are other also products where we felt our ranges were a bit limited, and we are bringing some new products to bolster our range, especially if you talk of quinchents and all those areas.
Right. Lastly, how big is the Indian market for you, and what are the kind of plans that you have? Some growth numbers, if you can just tell us about that as well.
Yeah, that's actually a very good question. India is one of the prominent market for Quaker Houghton. We have been growing in double digits since COVID, or I would say 2020, and we see this market to continue giving us the growth even in the QH world for the next at least 2030. So we have big plans. We have plans for investment. So we already have our manufacturing footprint in India. We plan to expand our manufacturing footprint in coming few years within India. And then as Saurabh is sharing that we are looking, the market is expanding in India from global standpoint. So there are semiconductor industry which is coming up, the EV industry which is coming up. So we have solutions which are there available for with us in Europe and Americas. We are looking to actually introduce those solutions in India for entering into these new sunrise industries. Apart from that, we are also venturing into coatings, advanced solutions, coatings, as well as greases. So those are the areas, and these are specialty greases. Like just to give you an example, there are fill for life greases. Typically, to make people understand easily, you have cars. When that cars you have within the cars you have the seats which goes front and back. So these seats have some greases which are filled for life. You don't need to make it or fill it on a refilling basis. So this is something which Quaker Houghton has an expertise, and that's a portfolio which we are expanding and bringing into Indian markets.
Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy schedule and talking to us. Thank you so much, sir.
Hi, I am Saurabh Kaul. I am Commercial Director for Quaker Houghton. Quaker Houghton is a global company based in US, and we have annual turnover of about 2 billion USD. India is one of the biggest markets we have outside China in Asia Pacific.
Yeah, hi. I am Rohit Bhale. I am Business Segment Director for Metalworking business at Quaker Houghton. Quaker Houghton is actually a world leader in industrial process fluids, and we have almost more than 5,000 products catered to either whether it is rolled, cut, formed, or punched. We have products to support that kind of things.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.